Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Muhammad Fakrul Firdaus bin Rosdin from Faculty Engineering Technology BNE. Wanted to explain about my industry training that I have undergone for about 6 months. Okay, for the introduction, my industry training is done for 6 months at the company of Mantara Maintenance and Service. This company is registered under the Communist Commission of Malaysia under the Business Registration Act of 1956. It was conducted under the name of Mantara Maintenance and Service. This company is located at Melaka Estate in Malaysia between Kuala Lumpur and Singapore. It's providing any service related to the electricity throughout the area in Melaka. This company provides service of the electrical wiring house to the customer and also rewiring the street lamp post. Okay, this is the vision and the missions of this company. Number one is to be well known of wiring company that selected in Melaka. Number two, to provide the best quality and service performance in electrical wiring for the customer. Number three, this company are committed to the well-being of our people and environment. Okay, this is the organization chart of this company. Okay, the manager is Encik Osman and this is my supervisor Encik Nasaruddin. Okay, the leader of all the worker is Muhammad Elmi. He will lead us doing all the job that supervisor us. Okay, now worker number one is Muhammad Sadiq. Worker number two is Ikmaluddin. And worker number three is Mustafa. And I, as a helper in this position of the company. Okay, I will explain about my role in this company. Okay, my role in this company is as a helper to ease the work of all the worker. I'm also will prepare all the necessary equipment so that it's easy to use when doing the work. I'm also helping to change all the components in the strip lamp post such as capacitor, lamp, igniter and ballast. I'm also will help to connect all the electrical conduit pipes together, which is accessories to make the wire go through it. I'm also pulling some wires that have been inserted into the electrical conduit pipes to be connected to electrical appliance. I will also help to install all the electrical appliance such as fan, lamp and socket. I also will carry all the equipment to the place that require to do this electrical wiring. Okay, this is the example of the task that I have been doing for the 6 months. The picture shows that the planning and the wiring of the house. Firstly, the leader need to plan all the work and divide the work through all the worker. So all the worker have the work to do in the time given. The second picture is the processing of the wiring in the house. Firstly, we need to make the road for the wire to go through it using the PVC conduit pipe. After the PVC conduit pipe is connected to each other, Then we will pulling all the 2.5 mm wire, red, black and green. Will be pulling to go through the electrical conduit pipe to connect it to the electrical appliance. Okay, this figure shows that the task that I do is installations of the lamp, fan and socket. Mostly this is the daily works or tasks that I do during my industrial training in these 6 months. Every day we'll have the work of repairing or changing the lamp, fan or the sockets. I was teach to do this work by my leader by following all the safety that have been given to prevent any injury that will happen. Okay, next, this is the test of wiring using the governance irons or GI pipe. There are two types of wiring that I do during this industrial training. It is firstly it is the wiring using the GI pipe, and secondly wiring using the PVC pipe. Mostly the GI pipe is using at the school or the building in that government as okay. This GI pipe is a bit complicated to do because we need to make the threads of the pipes using the dies, and then we need to make the shape of the pipes using the bender. Then we need to cut the pipes using the grinder. It is different from the PVC pipe. PVC pipe we are just using the cutter, but for this GI pipe we need to use the grinder to cut it. Okay, then this picture shows that the GI pipe was tied using the saddles. The picture that next beside it shows that the wiring using the GI pipe have been done for the lamp and fan. Okay, lastly for the conclusion is the students undergoing the training here are trained to become a professional worker, not only forms of personal appearance, but also trained in technical skills. The theory that I have learned from the lecturers and also the books can be applied during this industry training. This new experience has slightly increased the value of the skills that the students have, in which all of the values are limited to being learned through the normal learning in the classrooms while on the campus. That's all. Thank you from me.